In this video, I'll show you how to find the best seat on your next flight using a tool called Seat Guru. Seat Guru has seat maps across over 1,200 aircraft and almost 200 airlines. I'll show you how you can avoid that row with no window. Find where there's extra leg room, avoid that seat that always gets bumped into, and know where there's baby carriers, toilets, galleys, and all the facilities that are on that aircraft. Hi, I'm Linda. I love maps and I love to travel, and I prefer a window seat. Even if I'm not on a window seat, I like to get a glimpse of outside down the row through the window. Did you know that some aircraft have rows where there's no window? A window seat with no window. So your allowance or opportunity to book a seat on a plane depends on your fare type, class type. Many airlines require you to pay for this privilege. Well, again, depends on your fare type and level of fare that you're buying. So when you do have the opportunity to pick a seat for your aircraft on the airline booking page, it only shows you a very basic seat map. It doesn't show you where the good seats are and the bad seats are. And you can't see if there's any potential annoying things about that seat. Let's have a look. Right, here we are on Seat Guru. I'll put a link in the description below. Note that it's owned by TripAdvisor. They have amazing resources for travellers. Go check it out. So there's a few options across the top here, but if you know your flight details, just use the search bar right in the middle of the screen here. You can see there's seat maps for 1,278 aircraft. So 3 easy steps: airline, date and flight number. If you don't know your flight number, you can click on here and you can enter in where you're travelling from and where you're travelling to. If you know your flight, hop over here. Out of curiosity, tell me, are you a window seat person or an aisle seat person? Post a comment below. I'm not even going to ask about that middle seat. Let's just say I want to fly Qantas on 1st of December, and I'm going to go on flight 35, QF35, which is Melbourne to Singapore. Hit find. It's found my flight, and I can click on view map. So here's the seat map of this aircraft. You can see business class at the top here and then economy class. The first thing that's jumping out are the colours, and here's a seat map key here. So the red is indicating a bad seat. There's actually no greens marked on this aircraft. We might find another one to have a look at. And the yellow is be aware, so have a look at the comments. If it's green and yellow, it's a mixed review. Where the crew sits, power ports, emergency exits, galley, toilets, closet, and the bassinets where the babies may be hanging out. Let's have a look at this red seat here. It says seat 4 has extra legroom, but it's missing a window, and proximity to the galley may be bothersome. The yellow one, extra legroom, but being close to the galley, which is right here, may be troublesome. Same for these yellow ones here. And missing a window. So if we have a look in economy down here, here's another one, seat 28A, missing a window. And over here at K2, so no window here. Let's have a look at these yellow ones in economy. The bassinet may be a problem for some people, but some people may want that bassinet. Also restricted legroom. That's right along here. Let's see, these ones here, proximity to the lavatories, the toilets may be a problem. Same with these ones right across here. These ones, again, restricted legroom, proximity to the bathrooms, and it's also got bassinets on here. These are also exit seats. Let's see, other flyers tend to bump into this seat. You see the configuration layout. So people would be walking down here and then they need to go here and people bump into this seat. It's good to know. Row 54. In the last row, and it may have limited recline. So it may not be able to go back as far as other seats. This one, limited recline, plus the lavatories, plus the galley. And here you can see where the crew seats. So also on here you can see seating details, the pitch and the width of seats. You can see some photos from travellers. You can find out what the amenities are, the audio, the video, what power is available, and what food's available. And then there's some reviews here from people, so you can have a look at these. Lots of reviews here. Let's have a look at another flight. Let's have a look at Jetstar. Again, we'll go on 1st of December, and I'm going to put in flight 17 here, and let's have a look. Finds this flight. This is Melbourne to Phuket, and let's have a look at the map. This layout has lots of colours. We have some green here and some mixed reviews. Let's have a look at some of these reviews. This one, seat 13A, may be missing a window. May have a limited recline, close to the galley, close to the toilets. These ones got limited recline, close to the toilets and the galley. Oh, this is a good seat, may have extra recline, often reserved as a crew rest on longer flights. Okay, so in economy here we have some seats with mixed reviews. So these may have extra leg room, but their close proximity to the galley and the lavatory may be bothersome for some people, as people congregate in this area, queuing up and waiting for the lavatories. Also the tray table. The tray table is in the armrest. So this makes the armrest immovable and slightly reducing the seat width. There's no floor storage. This was because this is an exit right here in front as well. Let's have a look at these yellow reviews. May have limited recline close to the toilets. The standard seats, it just says this is a standard seat if there's no review on these seats. Mixed reviews, exit row seat, again, may have extra leg room, but close to the toilets, and the tray table will be in the armrest. And there's no floor storage during takeoff and landing. Let's see, missing a window. Here's another, row 51A, no window. And on the other side too, no window. Let's have a look at the back. Last row of the plane may have limited recline, close to the toilets, limited recline. May feel cramped due to the curvature of the plane. Again, we can have a look at other reviews here where people have just added all sorts of comments. So next time you're booking a flight and you have an opportunity to select a seat on an aircraft, go check out Seat Guru. It just may help you get a better seat and a seat that suits you, depending on what's available on the plane, of course. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more travel hints and tips and how-tos.